Hello everyone, and today we are working on Adobe Spark, and I'm here to tell you that how you can work from your mobile on the Adobe Spark post. So first you have to download it from the Google Play Store, download the application, and then you have to work on it. It's very easy and very creative. You have lots of options in it, and let's open it first. Here is Adobe Spark Post. First, you have to sign in from your Google account, whichever is downloaded in your select from your options the email address you have to use for it. It's signing in, and here I am on the home page. I'm going to click on the plus sign to take my own. I can use it from the gallery as well, or I'm going to write here mini beasts. So here I have a picture of a wasp. I'm going to add the picture in my poster, and I'm going to select an option of a poster. So here is the size of the poster that I need to have. Now I'm going to first I'm going to add the text, so you have to double click on it. For it I'm going to write wasps, tick, and I can change the font style, I can change the font color, whichever I want to put on it, or I can change the size of it as well. So here it is, and now I'm going to add my explanation about wasp. So I'm going to write a sentence, just one sentence, that wasps are mini beasts. They live on the land. So here I am just writing two sentences. Here are my sentences. I can add up wherever I want to add my explanation all over it, and then I can download it on my mobile. It is preparing it to download, and my post is ready. So after downloading it, you can share it with anyone, or you can share it without downloading as well. Here is the option of sharing. You can add anywhere you want to share it. Thank you.